Most people believe passive income is a scam. They've been told that making money without working is impossible or only for the rich. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Passive income is very real, and millions of people are already living on it. The problem is not passive income. The problem is that 90% of ideas you see online are outdated, fake, or completely unrealistic. In 2026, the rules have changed, and today you're going to learn 3 passive income ideas that actually work right now. Not theories, not hype, but systems ordinary people are already using. Introduction: Setting the reality. Let's be honest, most people don't want to be rich. They just want freedom. Freedom from paycheck stress, freedom from rising prices, freedom from the fear of retirement. Passive income isn't about luxury cars or private jets. It's about control over your time. And in 2026, with inflation still high and job security weaker than ever, relying on only one income source is a dangerous gamble. Passive income myth: breaking illusion. Before we start, let's kill one myth forever. Passive income does not mean zero work. It means front-loaded effort. You work once, build a system, and that system pays you again and again. If someone promises easy money with no effort, they're selling you a dream, not a strategy. The ideas you're about to hear require intelligence, patience, and consistency. But once built, they can pay you for years. Idea number 1: dividend investing, the boring money machine. Dividend investing is not exciting. It won't make you rich overnight, and that's exactly why it works. Dividend income means you invest in strong companies that pay you cash regularly just for owning their stock. In 2026, dividend investing is more powerful than ever because people want stable income, not risky speculation. Why dividend income works in 2026. Many people think dividends are old-fashioned, but in reality, dividend stocks outperform hype stocks during economic uncertainty. When markets are unstable, companies with strong cash flow survive, and they keep paying shareholders. That's why retirees, pension funds, and institutions love dividends. How the system works. You invest money into dividend-paying companies or ETFs. Every quarter, those companies send you money directly to your account. You can spend it or reinvest it to buy more shares. Over time, this creates compound income where your income grows without extra work. Realistic numbers. Let's be realistic. If you invest $10,000 with a 4% dividend yield, you earn $400 per year. That doesn't sound exciting until you realize that reinvesting those dividends can double or triple your income over time. This is slow wealth, but slow wealth is stable wealth. Why most people fail. Most people fail at dividend investing because they chase high yields. High yields often mean weak companies. Smart investors focus on dividend growth, not just dividend size. In 2026, companies that consistently increase dividends are far more reliable than those offering unrealistic returns. Who this is for. This strategy is perfect for people over 30. People who want peace, not stress. People thinking about retirement. It's not flashy, but it works. Idea number 2: digital products. Sell once, earn forever. This is where the modern world changes everything. Digital products are one of the highest margin passive income sources in 2026. Why? Because once created, they cost nothing to reproduce. What counts as a digital product? Digital products include ebooks, templates, guides, checklists, courses, and tools. You don't need to be famous. You don't need millions of followers. You just need to solve one specific problem. Why digital products exploded after 2024. More people are learning online than ever before. Education is shifting away from universities to creators. People don't want degrees, they want solutions.
And if your product saves time, money, or stress, people will pay. How the passive system works. You create the product once. You host it on a platform. People buy it automatically. Payments arrive while you sleep. No inventory, no shipping, no employees. Example that actually works. Let's say you create a simple retirement planning checklist for people over 50. You price it at $29. If only 5 people buy it per day, that's over $4,000 per month. The work was done once, the income repeats. Why most people fail. Most people fail because they create products nobody needs. They focus on what they like, not what people search for. Successful digital products solve painful problems. In 2026, boring products outperform creative ones. Who this is for. This strategy is perfect for people with knowledge, teachers, professionals, creators, anyone who can explain something clearly. Idea number 3. Real estate cash flow without being a landlord. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other asset class. But being a landlord is not passive, it's stressful. The good news? In 2026, you don't need to own property directly to earn real estate income. The new way, REITs and real estate funds. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, allow you to invest in properties without managing them. You earn rental income and property appreciation. Someone else handles tenants, repairs, and paperwork. Why real estate still works. People always need places to live, warehouses, hospitals, storage facilities. In 2026, real estate demand is stronger than ever due to population growth and urbanization. How the income works. REITs pay dividends, often higher than stock dividends. Some pay monthly income. This makes them extremely attractive for retirees and income investors. Risk management. Smart investors diversify across different property types: residential, commercial, healthcare, logistics. Diversification reduces risk and stabilizes income. Who this is for. This strategy is ideal for people who want real estate exposure without headaches. It's simple, it's scalable, and it's proven. Why these 3 work and others fail. These 3 work because they're built on systems, not hype. They rely on cash flow, not speculation. They benefit from long-term trends, not short-term luck. In 2026, success belongs to people who build assets, not those chasing trends. The biggest passive income truth. Passive income doesn't change your life overnight, but over time, it changes your identity. You stop thinking like a worker, you start thinking like an owner. And that mindset shift is where real freedom begins. Final message. Strong ending. The future belongs to those who prepare for it. You don't need to do everything. You just need to start one system and stay consistent. Because in 10 years, the question won't be, how do I make passive income? The question will be, why didn't I start earlier?